What's up, YouTube? We're here in the morning, here at the track at Buttonwillow. Already took care of everything we needed to for the morning. I'm hoping I'll get some GoPro action for you guys here in a little bit. We already got Caliber Customs out there gripping it around. Man, it's gonna be a beautiful day. Enjoy the footage.
lines attached to the plan, and it's up. I mean, unless it's sheared the front and it's sitting on the Thank you.
Did you make those poop?
Action parts. Don't talk back. Well, we gave you some good video.
Yeah, you need a knife? It's a fun time so far. So, I mean, the RX-7 broke drivetrain from what it looks like. It's fun out here though. We'll get back to some GoPro action in a little bit, guys. Two of my dream cars right next to me. Hell yeah. Ooh, Adam is booking it. Oh, okay, a little bit of late braking. I like it. I like it. Ooh, yeah. I fucking love the cars out here today, you guys. Man, it's so much fucking fun being out here right now. I mean, I got one ride in. Oh, Tuna! I'm having so much fun. I hope you guys are enjoying the views. There'll be still some more to go. I'm probably gonna get more GoPro footage, but we'll see what happens, guys. Oh shit, I didn't even notice it was Mikey. Ooh, yeah. And to think that thing was behind me going to Millerton, like fucking smashing behind me. I wish I had a back GoPro so you guys could have seen that stuff, but that Impreza was literally on my ass. Woo! Yeah. That Impreza was literally on my ass, and it was so much fun. He was pushing me just a little bit more. I think his name was Brian, I forgot. I think it's Brian, but it's It's a beautiful day. I'm gonna say that a million times today. Oh, there's a little lineup of people right there. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Nothing else to it but some more car stuff. So here comes Travis coming around right now. Man, it's beautiful, beautiful day. Besides all that smog and crap on the back. Oh no, Mikey went out on the Yaris right there. He had to. I guess he's taking it in for a minute. Here comes Adam. Well, you know what to do. If you like the content, leave a like, subscribe for more, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.